In this video, I will show you how to add signature in Outlook. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To get started with this, what you want to do is open up Outlook and log into your account. Once you're logged in, come up to the top right hand corner, and what you want to do is click onto this gear icon to open up your settings. From here, what you want to do is come over to the left hand side and click onto signatures. You can see that's in the menu here on the left hand side. And once you've done that, you can go ahead and add a signature. So you can see one I've already created called work. So this is just an example one here. But what you would do is click to create a new signature. And what you can do is give this one a name. So I'm going to call this one test, for example. Then what you can do is add your signature underneath. So what this is going to do is add this signature to every email that you send through. And what you can do is come down to the bottom. You can see we've got this toolbar, so we can actually do things like, for example, bold the text, and we can add italics and change the color and things like that. And we can also add images as well by clicking this button here to insert a picture. So what I've done, I've just added a image of my logo here, just like so, with this signature complete. And once you're happy with everything, what you can do is come down to the bottom. You can set this up for replies and forwards and new messages. You can choose what signature to use. So all you want to do is click save at the bottom. Once you've clicked onto save, you can then select your signature from here. So test one, of course, and if you want to add it for replies and forwards as well, you select it here and then click save to apply your changes. So that is how to add a signature in Outlook. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.